Welcome friends, I'm going to share with you another opportunity I'm working on. It's a Probit exchange, and they are just giving us a chance to buy premium tokens on the 50% discount. So if I go to their exclusive tab, we can see there an event is starting in 6 hours, and their total pool is like 25,000 USDTs. And if you click on here, basically what we can do, they have the 5 VIP plans, and staking the 500 Probit tokens, you can get the allocation. You can subscribe for the allocation of 250 USDT. Basically it depends on the weight of other users also, so you will not just get the 250 USDT, but if the event is oversubscribed, they will divide it into two. If the sale is 2x oversubscribed, all users will receive 50% of their subscribed amount. So that is how they count the allocation, how much you get. Previously, in the previous event, I got about $6 of BTC with the Probit staked 500, and let's see how much allocation I get this time. So they are saying it is coming soon. I thought it's going to begin in 6 hours, starting in 6 hours. So after it begin, I will participate in it, and I will share with you my so far result. So I staked the 500 3.75 Probit staked, which is first VIP in their VIP tier in their website, and I started with 285 Probits. So basically idea is that keep grow my Probit tokens. Each time I get the discount, let's say I get a discount of 50% in on BTC, I will buy back. I will not take out the profit. I will just keep buy the Probit tokens, and my idea is just keep grow them for a few years until the Probit token price reach to $7 or $8. So basically I put this much token 503.75 and stake them and buy out at the price of 251. Current price like $0.3, which is lower of course, but it doesn't matter. And I started with the $168 of Probit tokens with 285 tokens, and I participated in the so far 1 2 3 4 5 events, and so far I able to grow from 285 to 318 in month. So tomorrow will be there another event after 6 hours. I will participate in it, and I will share you with my result. That let's see how far I go in a year or more until the price of token reach to $7. So see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and leave your thought in the comment box.